Kaso, wala eh. Fully booked. So, eto na yung pinakamahal nila. Nasa ano lang naman? Magkano tayo?
500k.
Baba. Kaya nga, dun ako na-stress eh.
Nung nalaman ko 500k lang.
Gusto ko talaga kasi mawala.
And she cried over nothing. So there was nothing I could do to stop her from
Go.
Ituwan kasi kita. Akin na.
Swimming ka kaya? Uy, baliw.
just as quick to get licked away.
Hi guys. Let's eat.
Last I heard she was living
We got to school. Sarap buhay. Book the room early tomorrow. Nice. Ito talaga pag CEO.